guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video tutorial about how to make this waving headband. Today we're going to do the diamond shape waving by using 4 grosgrain ribbons. Look guys, this headband is perfect with this hairbow together, or you can use headband and hairbow on the ponytail. This hairbow with koala bear is perfect for this grosgrain ribbon. Also, you can use together or separately the hairbow and the ponytail and headband, and this satin ribbon. Also can be used with this hairbow. Let's get started. For our work, we need all those materials. Plastic, very durable headband. It's kid size, 2.5 centimeters wide. 3 grosgrain ribbons, 3 colors, 1 centimeter wide. 2 alligator hair clips, lighter, ruler, pair of scissors, and silicone glue. Let's start to wave our headband by cutting 4 pieces 1 meter and 30 centimeters. One meter and 30 centimeters. I chose 2 pink colors, 1 blue and 1 yellow. And here guys is the most important. We need to decide what colors are going to be diamonds and what colors are going to be at the sides of the headband. I will do blue, yellow diamonds, and pink ribbons are going to be at the sides of the headband. For this, I made this pattern. So one cross going to be blue, pink, and then cross pink, yellow, like this. I'm taking my headband and putting them between these 2 crosses. So one cross blue and pink under the headband, and pink and yellow above the headband, and I need to stick them with alligator hair clips. Okay, let's start to wave. Pink is going on the top and blue is under the pink. This way. The yellow is going under the headband, and pink is going on the top of the yellow one and under the blue one. This pink is going under the yellow one. Yes. So we switched the places. Now yellow is going under the pink, Blue is going under the headband this way, and this pink is going on the top of the blue one and under the yellow. Again, we switch their places, and here's the same. Pink is on the top, blue is under the pink one, yellow is going under the headband, and on the top of the pink one. Here. This pink is going on the top of the yellow one and under the blue one. Yellow is under the pink one. Blue is under the headband. Pink is going on the top of the blue one and under the yellow one. And this pink is going on the top of the blue yellow one and under the blue one. So create a diamond. It's a bit tricky, but it's not difficult. Again, blue is going under the pink one. Yellow is going under the headband. This pink is going on the top of the yellow one and under the blue one, creating the diamond, blue diamond here. This pink is going on the top of the blue one and under the yellow one. Creating the yellow diamond. Oh guys, it's amazing. It's the most important. We don't have any loops here, any holes. So these diamonds are starting from one edge and finishing to other edge. And here we don't see other colors, just pink. Yellow is going under the pink one. Blue is going under the headband. This pink is going on the top of the blue one and under the yellow one. And other pink is going opposite on the top of the yellow and under the blue one. And continuing the same pattern till the end of our headband. side. I almost finished waving. So here it's going to be a couple of more waves. At the back side I have to use glue. Then so here is going to be yellow at the top and behind, and here's last one. I need to use glue. To stick pink color, also blue color, and on the back side the same, so I stick already used glue for the pink, and on the top it's going to be yellow. This. I will use the same alligator hair clips, and I need to give it some time to dry. And here in the first end I will do exactly the same. So I will use glue to stick all my ribbons together and attach them to the headband. It's first here, then on the top it's going to be yellow, this cross, and from the back side the same. First pink, and then on the top I'll use stick blue. So we start with crosses and we need to finish the same. And also alligator hair clip. 10 minutes. I need to give it to dry. Then with my scissors I'll cut the ends by leaving a couple of millimeters here. And I need to seal with my lighter to seal the edges. So seal them together. Pink with yellow ribbon. And blue with pink. So all like this. And here it's going to be same thing. So cutting 1 centimeter left for the sealing and sealing them together, whole ribbons. Alright guys, our headband is ready. Now we can use any of these hair bows. So this yellow, pink, yellow in the center, blue, here blue, yellow and pink in this at the center, and this one is third variation, like pink, blue and yellow is at the center. All three variations are perfect for this headband. Very bright, very stylish, amazing. Also this with hairbow also. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press notification bell for the next videos, and see you next time. Bye bye guys.